welcome back to my channel. Today we're here in Texas still, and we only have one plan today, and it's to go to the Riverwalk in San Antonio. It's basically a shopping mall, which looks really pretty. It was raining today, but it has stopped raining and it's a little bit sunny. Let me show you guys. Very pretty outside. I already did my makeup, my accessories, my outfit, and I'm ready to go. I'm also taking this handbag that it's from KL, yeah, and I got it from Macy's, so I don't really know the brand, but it looks so cute. And yeah, today I will try my best to vlog everything, but we'll see. Hello guys, we are here at the Riverwalk. We made it, and it's very sunny and nice outside. And my hair, it's very windy too. My hair is going everywhere.
I'm a beach woman. You better try again.
Look how pretty.
Easy, look, it's a tiny duck right next to it. That big duck.
I didn't find anything cute at H&M, but it was a very nice H&M. I chose the heart and it totally came out this way. I totally did not just press it down. Looks so cute. We're gonna have a taste test. Tastes like normal cotton candy. Hello, so we have finished walking around and we're gonna be eating at Casario, which is like a Mexican food place. And it's by the river, which is very pretty. And I hope the food is good here. We finished eating and the food was really good. I enjoyed the food very nice. We got beef and rice. I shared with my little sister because we can't finish a whole plate.
I'll stay right here.
Yes. We are done walking around and we're heading towards the car. And since we're heading towards the car, we're gonna go home. And it's been a really nice day out and I loved it. It's been a while since I came to the Riverwalk, so it was nice and nostalgic to see it again. Hey guys, it's a brand new day and I'm not dressed yet, but today I don't have much planned. I'm just gonna go to Austin, Texas downtown, which is very beautiful. I haven't been there in such a long time, so I don't have that much time, so I'm gonna get ready right now. We are here at Austin, Texas, and we're at the Congress Avenue, which is a bunch of shops. It's very pretty, I would say.
You got to see the back, the bridge.
Wow, this place is so pretty. This place is such a pretty place to eat. I love the way it looks. We are at the bridge where the bats come out at night, which people are surrounding already. We just wanted to check out the bridge. I remember coming here when I was little, but it's so beautiful. So we're getting some ice cream. I want some Belgian chocolate right there. And it's quite pricey. I'm getting a small though. Kitty, what are you getting?
I'm getting an Oreo, a small.
Ooh.
A small or a tiny?
Yeah. Tastes so good. My camera is a bit dirty right now, but we're gonna be heading home now towards the car. It was a nice day out here. Good morning. Today is Luis's graduation, one of my oldest brothers. He is graduating from UTSA, which is so good. You know, he worked so hard trying to become a doctor, graduating from chemistry. I think he studied chemistry. I'm not quite sure. But it's 7 a.m. and we're gonna head to San Antonio to cheer him on. We are on our way to go see Luis. Woo! I cannot wait to see him walk on that stage, my goofy little brother. Guys, we finally made it to the Alamodome, so to see my little brother, graduate. It's so exciting. Parking was so hard to find. Took us like 40 minutes. Crazy. But we're here. Go. It's inside a little HEB plaza. Oh, look at Luis. We're waiting for Luis to come out. It's taking forever.
Amari Ramirez.
I'm nervous. Oh my god.
Luis Mel Gutierrez.
We're out of the stadium. Now we're waiting for my brother to come. I'm gonna give him this deformed teddy bear because it looks like him. Oh my gosh! Say something for my vlog. Look, my brother graduated.
Dude, I just got the most expensive piece of paper right here. A couple $1,000 grand right there. 10 out of 10 would recommend.
A good experience. Oh yeah, me too. We're back home. How'd you feel about graduating?
I'm a big boy now. Guess what?
What?
I'm gonna have to do at least 6 more years now. So back to square one.
More school, more school, more school.
Guys, get scholarships, please. Please don't spend 15,000 like I did. Okay, bye.